Introduction, Navigation and Survey Technology, and concept of interfacing sections collectively establish the foundation of the presentation. The presenter, with 16 years of engineering experience, has begun in R&D and currently works as a service and integration engineer at Excel, specializing in advanced navigation system. The presentation defines that navigation as the science of monitoring and guiding the movement of a vehicle across all various domains: land, marine, air, and space. It then introduced key technologies such as GPS, which provides position and time, and INS, which means Initial Navigation System, which adds orientation data like heading, pitch, and roll. The concept of interfacing of is emphasized as the essential skill of connecting and synchronizing the sensor to external system, which will enabling precise and reliable data exchange, crucial for both civil and defense applications.
Offshore Works Sdn Bhd. At the Offshore Works Sdn Bhd, the focus was on gaining foundational experience in basic sensor interfacing and understanding operational workflows in offshore projects. This included connecting GPS positioning system to external sensor and ensuring accurate data transmission for navigation and survey tasks. Practical involvement covered the entire project cycle from bench testing, packing and preparing shipping documentation to demobilization, and returning equipment post-operation. This role provided essential hands-on exposure to offshore operations and laid the groundwork for more complex system integration tasks in future roles.
Topcon Instruments. The experience centered on understanding and transitioning from traditional to modern surveying methods. This included working with total stations, which are conventional tools for measuring angles and distance, and moving towards GPS-based positioning systems, which offer higher efficiency and accuracy. A key part of the role was learning how to integrate GPS with other sensors to enhance machine control system, allowing for automated guidance in construction and surveying applications. Additionally, this was the stage where the presenter began conducting training sessions, sharing technical knowledge and helping others adopt modern surveying technologies, marking the beginning of a leadership and mentoring role in the field.
Purdue Geoscience. At Purdue Geoscience, the focus was on more advanced and specialist survey operations, particularly in the offshore and subsea environment. The work involved integrating complex systems for tasks such as a multi-beam survey, which scan the sea fin in the high detail, and USBL ultra short baseline underwater positioning, which uses the acoustic signal to track objects underwater with high accuracy. Additionally, the role includes the pipeline inspection using the ROVS, remote operation vehicle, requiring precise coordination between the navigation system and the underwater vehicle. This phase marked a significant step to help pressure data invest project deeply perspective in the interface and the system integration in challenging marine conditions. Thank you.
Okay, today I want to talk about company Excel. The presenter worked as a service integration engineer. This role was a setup from previous experience involving the real-world application of advanced navigation and defense technology. Okay, the work focused on integrating advanced navigation technologies, particularly the Initial Navigation System (INS), which provide critical data such as position, heading, pitch, and roll essential for operation in GPS-denied environment like underwater or military zone. The role involved high-level system integration on platforms such as Littoral Combat Ship (LCS) and 105 mm artillery system. ensuring seamless interfacing between GPS, radar, weapons, and other onboard sensors. Responsibility include installation, troubleshooting, calibration, and conducting C acceptance trial (SAT), which live firing test. This position require wearing the manufacturer hat, taking full technical ownership of system performance and reliability, and applying deep expertise in real-world defense and maritime operation.
Alright, thank you. Now I'm going to talk about conclusion. In conclusion, there has been a noticeable advancement in the use and integration of survey and navigation technologies throughout the journey across different enterprises. The fundamentals of integrating GPS with external sensors were developed at Offshore Works. By investigating contemporary surveying methods with total station and GPS, as well as disseminating this information via training, top consumer helped to deepen this expertise. Experienced crew at Pageo Geoscience to include increasingly sophisticated systems and integrate survey procedures, including underwater positioning and multi-beam. Last but not least, Excel fully embraced the position of a manufacturer and integration specialist by applying this acquired expertise at a high level, integrating complex systems like inboard naval and defense domains. That's it for me. Thank you.